on this box. The handle turned out even better than I thought it would. It doesn't flop down because I have so much material here, but you know, I don't mind. I don't stack them. It keeps shadows off of here from the sunlight, so I just decided that, you know, that's okay. And I managed to find a piece of glass, mirror I should say. With any luck I should be able to pop that right in if I measured correctly, but we all know how that goes some days, right? Take off the paint, tape. Residue, and will it fit? It'll fit, but I'm going to have to take off a tool. If I just left all the tools on the tool bench, you'd think life would be easier. Surprised how tight those went back in, considering I reused the same holes. But now that the holes have been marked well, I can find them well easily. See if I can break the mirror. I couldn't get single strength mirror, I had to buy double strength, 1/8 inch, whatever. So it's a little thick. Now it's official. Complete. Okay.